Hello students, welcome to again computer class. Today we are going to solve again one more program to calculate the bill amount. And here the question says an electricity board charges the bill depending upon the number of units customer used or consume. So they have given some condition. So condition is like this: first 100 unit or up to 100 unit, you can say 40 rupees per 40 paise per unit, and then next 200 unit, next 200 unit, that means after 100 200, that means till 300, it is 60 paise per unit, 60 paise per unit. And same after that, above 300 unit, above 300 unit, it is 1 rupees per unit. That means that electricity board charges different way to the customer. If any customer use only up to 100 unit, then for that 40 rupees per unit they charge. And after that, for next 200 unit, that means after the 100 unit more 200 unit, that means 100 to 300 slab, and there that electricity bill was charged 60 rupees per unit. And similar afterwards 300 unit, if more than 300 unit anybody has consumed, then it is rupees 1 per unit. And then they have said that meter rent also they are charging, and that meter rent is 250 rupees to each customer. Meter charge is meter charge means meter rent, or you can say if you are having electricity if you are having electricity connection at home, then you're supposed to give some amount to the state board. So for that, rupees 250 was minimum amount which one every customer will give. Then you have to enter here unit consumed by customer and calculate the bill amount. The bill amount to be paid to the electricity board. Electricity board. Okay, so now we are going to solve the program. Now we are going to solve this program. First, import java.util, class bill, class e bill I have written, and I have given e underscore bill because we can't use the blank space, that's why this one is e underscore bill. Then public static void main scanner in is the object for the scanner class. Then int unit and double charge. Why int unit? Because the unit what I am going to feed over here for customer, that I have taken as unit as an integer, and the charge because it is given 40 paise, 60 paise like that, so I have taken double charge. Okay, now I have to enter number of unit what that customer has used. So I will write here system.out.println enter unit. You can complete the sentence, enter unit consumed by consumer. After that, that unit I am going to store in unit variable. So unit is equal to in dot next int, in dot next int, and after that I will start calculations. What is the calculations I supposed to do? It was given first 100 units or up to 100 units. you supposed to pay 40 rupees per unit. So whatever your unit that you are going to check, is your unit is less than and equals to 100. If it is that, then your charge will be how much? Your charge will be whatever the unit, that per unit it is given 40 paise. So 40 paise I have written 0.40. Afterwards I am going to check for next slab. In next slab it is given next 200 unit. Next 200 unit means after 100 unit next 200. That means if your unit is 101 and it is less than 300, then only it will become in this slab. So what I am supposed to write here? I supposed to write here unit is greater than 100, or if you want to use equal to sign, then you supposed to write unit is greater than equals to 101. And same time that unit is going to be less than 300. Less than 300. That means next 200 is unit is greater than 100 and less than equals to 300. Then I can calculate for 200 units here. So my charge will be equals to, for first 100 units I am supposed to give 40 paise per unit. Okay, that one is given. And after that, how many is left? How many unit is left? So I will find out unit minus 100. Why I have taken unit minus 100? Because for first 100 unit I have given 40 paise per unit. So that 100 unit should be deducted from the unit, and whatever the rest unit that I am going to give per unit 60 paise. And then what is last condition? Last condition is more than 300 unit. More than 300. Up to 100. Next 200. That means the range is 100 to 300. And then it is given more than 300. So if my condition is not satisfied for any, if I have entered number of unit is 320, then it will be not come over here, it will be not come over here. So it will be go to else part, and in else part I am going to calculate the charge. So charge is equal to, what is the charge? For first 100 unit I supposed to give 40 rupees per unit, and after that for next 200 unit I am going to give 60 rupees per unit. And after that I am going to give how many are left unit. For that I am going to give 1 rupees per unit. So here why I have taken 100, 200, then unit minus 300. Actually, if I have entered 320 unit, then this 320 unit is not less than 100. So it is not coming over here. Now it is not greater than 100. It is true, but it is not less than 300. So it will be not comes here. Then it will be comes directly to else part, and in else part for first 100 unit 40 rupees per unit I will pay. Then second 200 unit I will pay for 60 paise per unit, and for last how much unit is left? If it is 320 unit, then 320 minus 300 it is 20 unit. For 20 unit I supposed to pay 1 rupees per unit. So entire for unit entire calculations is done, and it was stored in charge. But at last it is given for meter rent you supposed to give 250 rupees. So my final charge will be, I have not taken any other variable, so directly I am going to print. So I am writing here system out println. Final charge is println. Final charge is final bill amount. You can write final bill amount is how much? Final bill amount is for unit I am giving charge whatever the calculations I have done, and plus 250 rupees extra for meter rent. So that both the things I am going to add together, and that will be my final charge. And like this, I am going to calculate this charge amount or electricity bill. So this part is over. Now I am going to show you little bit dry run. Just think, if you have used only 80 unit, if you have used only 80 unit, then unit is less than equals to 100. So this one is, this condition is satisfied. So it will become, and charge will be calculated 80 into 40. Okay, but it will be not come here, it will be not come this part. So already here it will be calculate charge is equal to 80 into 40, and after that it will become directly over here system out println final bill amount, whatever the charge I have calculated plus 250 rupees. Okay, similarly when my unit is maybe 170, my unit is 170, so if it is 170, then it will become and lie in this slab. So it will be calculated like this. For first 100 it will be 0.40 is the per unit charge, and after that, after 100 unit I have deducted, how many units are left? I have entered 170. So 170 minus 100, that is 70. 70 units are left. For that rest 70 unit I am going to pay 60 paise per unit, and it will be not come to else part. It will be calculated over here and it will become directly over here, and system out println final bill amount is charge, whatever charge I have calculated by calculating this, that plus 250 rupees here. So in this way I supposed to calculate, or we supposed to calculate telephone bill as well income tax or bill amount for electricity bill also. So it's depend upon the question. You have to understand first the question. In this type of questions, they used to write next 5 days or next 200 unit or next slab for income tax. Like that they used to give the question. So first you supposed to understand the question, and then you are going to write down the answers like this. This is little bit complicated, but if you will see twice, then you can understand. And for this I request you, you just go first that library find question answer, that video. After that you see this video, you will be understand the program, and I hope you will do that. Bye bye.